Thanksgiving turkey tradition. For many Americans, the Thanksgiving meal includes seasonal dishes such as roast turkey with stuffing, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. The holiday feast started back in November 1621 when Pilgrims and the Wampanoag Indians met at Plymouth for an autumn harvest celebration, an event that we know as America's first Thanksgiving. But what was really on the menu at the famous dinner? The main part of this traditional meal was wild turkey. The wild turkey was a very common food source for the Pilgrims and the Indians. They added stuffing, herbs, and onions to the turkey to add extra flavor. Although there were a lot of other kinds of meat that could have been chosen, turkey is considered the main part of a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Some scientists also say that turkey can help your stomach settle more so you don't feel so full after a big Thanksgiving meal. Because of this first Thanksgiving dinner, Americans now celebrate every Thanksgiving by enjoying a delicious turkey dinner.